Hello and welcome to another day in my life as a PhD student working at the Bermuda Institute of Ocean Sciences. Today I was mainly having meetings and prepping for my research cruise at the end of the week, so after breakfast on the patio and a little walk around the station, I made my way into the lab. I started gathering all the bits and pieces I needed, like sample bottles, filters and kits for extraction. I'll be collecting water from the Bermuda Atlantic Time series study site and filtering to collect all the tiny phytoplankton that live in the water, and the idea is that I'll go out on the next few cruises so I can track how the phytoplankton community is changing, both through depth in the water column and over time through the spring bloom. Finished work. It's still light outside, but the sun is about to set, so we're going to go for a night snorkel just in a little bay on the northwest coast of the island, see what we can see underwater. It gets dark, so we picked up our snorkels and wetsuits and headed out along the cliff paths just in time to see a spectacular sunset before heading down to the bridge to see glowworms. They spawn in the spring in the couple of days just after the full moon, exactly 54 minutes after sunset, and that's when you can see them twinkling in the water, which was so beautiful. Then, once it was totally dark, we got into the water and we swam out to the coral reef, where we saw all sorts of wildlife under the stars. We saw octopus, squid, parrotfish, sea hares, eels, pufferfish, and so many more incredible things. When we got back to the research station, it was time to rinse off our gear ready for tomorrow, say hello to Winky, the campus cat, and have a quick bite to eat before bed.